Hello, welcome to our company culture lesson where we will be discussing Hub. Topics today include Hub, sections, content groups, adding content, and permissions. So with that, let's get started. Hub, otherwise known as the Company Hub, can be found by clicking the Company tab, followed by Hub in the drop-down. The Company Hub is where you can find folders and documentation relating to the company itself. Here you'll see many different facets of the Hub, which we'll talk about in more detail today, including sections, content groups, folders, and individual documents, links, or posts. The Hub that we have in front of us has multiple different sections, which we can see up here, and these are Executive, HR and Recruiting, and Customer Service. There are also multiple different content groups, which we can see in these distinct sections. And examples of these include company policies, continued learning, financial, and branding and marketing. As we switch to different sections, you'll see each section has its own content groups, which can be added and configured, and each content group can have its individual folders and documents as well. To add a section, simply click the Actions menu to the right of the Hub, followed by Add Section from the drop-down. Here you can enter the section name, as well as a brief description of the section if you so choose. Once you have the section name, you can click Save, and you'll see the new section located above, which you can click and begin configuring all the content groups, folders, and individual documentation within the section itself. To add a new content group, simply click the Add Content Group button. Here you can name your content group and click Save, and now you'll see the new content group added to the section of your Company Hub. If you would like to edit the name of a content group, you can click the pad and pencil icon in the content group itself and change the content group name here. By clicking Save, you'll notice that the content group has been renamed, and you can begin adding content as needed. You can also search for content within a specific section. For instance, if I go to the HR and Recruiting section, I can search for New Hire and click the magnifying glass, and this will limit my results to the specific criteria that I've searched for. If I want to go back to the full section, I can click the X button at the right of the search results, and this will reset my view to the section that I was viewing before. To add new content, you can click either the Add Folder button or the Add Content button. Let's explore adding a new folder first. To add a new folder, simply click the Add Folder icon and then name your new folder. Once you type in the name of your folder, click Save, and you'll see the new folder added into your content group as desired. To add new content, simply choose the folder or content group that you'd like to add the content in. Next, click the plus button and choose what kind of content you'd like to add from the drop-down. Documents will allow you to upload a document from your files, and as I hover over the eye icon, I can see all the allowed file extensions, and the max file size per file uploaded is 100 megabytes. I can also choose to mark this visible on the partner portal, as well as restrict access to specific employees, teams, or divisions. If I choose to restrict access to a division, for instance, I can choose which division I want to limit access to, and then choose whether I want them to just view or have full access, meaning they can edit the document if needed. And then you can choose Save and Close to go back to your Hub. The other options include a post, and a post indicates that it's content that you're adding into the content section here. And this content section includes conditional formatting, which means that you can number, you can customize your font, add hyperlinks, videos, and images as well. And here, just like we saw with adding a document, you can make visible in the partner portal and restrict access to either an employee, team, or division. The last option with adding content to your Hub is a link. With a link, you can name the new link and then add your link of content. For instance, if I'm uploading an orientation outline, I can go to the orientation outline and then paste it in the link URL. I can add a description if I want to, and then I also have the options to make visible in the partner portal and restrict access as well. By choosing Save and Close, we'll see the new link added into the folder of our company hub. Apart from managing access for specific content or folders, there are also permissions related around Hub as well. To view them, let's go to Employees and Roles. To view Hub permissions, let's add a new user role. In the search function name, type Hub and click the magnifying glass to the right. Here we have individual permissions for the company hub. And if I click each permission, I can see a description of what their permission consists of. Hub will allow users to view the hub. Hub Contents View All will allow them to view all contents regardless of individual permissions on each content or folder. Add will allow them to add individual documents or folders. And Hub Add Edit will allow them to add sections, content groups, or individual contents. To include any of these permissions, simply toggle the box and it will turn blue. And to remove, toggle again and it will turn white, meaning that they do not have access to this permission. Hub is a fantastic place to store individual documents related to your company or divisions, and is a great place to direct new and existing employees to company or divisional information.